If you want to solve phase relationship numerical problems in soil mechanics quickly and correctly, watch this video till the end. In this video, we will solve two important GATE previous year numericals. We will focus on void ratio, water content, specific gravity, and degree of saturation. This video is useful for civil engineering students preparing for university exams and competitive exams. Let us quickly revise the concepts. Void ratio equal to volume of voids by volume of solids. Porosity equal to volume of voids by total volume. Degree of saturation equal to volume of water by volume of voids. And water content equal to mass of water by mass of solids. Let us solve the first question. It was asked in GATE exam 2022. An uncompacted heap of soil has a volume of 10,000 meter cube and void ratio of 1. If the soil is compacted to a volume of 7,500 meter cube, then the corresponding void ratio of the compacted soil is. Before solving it, let us try to visualize the situation. There is a heap of loose soil. Its volume is 10,000 meter cube. Void ratio is 1. We are compacting it and we are getting the volume of compacted soil as 7,500 meter cube and we have to find its void ratio. We can see similar numericals where either a pit is made or an excavation is done and soil is used to make a fill or an embankment. Everywhere the concept used will be the same. So, what is the concept? The concept is that volume of solids remain constant during compression. To understand this, let us revisit our three-phase diagram. When compaction or compression take place, voids may get removed, but volume of solids will not change. Total volume V is the sum of volume of solids and volume of voids. We know void ratio equal to volume of voids by volume of solids. So we can rewrite V as Vs plus EVs, which is Vs multiplied by 1 plus E. From this, Vs equal to V by 1 plus E. This is the equation we are going to use. For easiness, we will denote loose soil as 1 and compacted soil as 2. Therefore, V1 equal to 10,000 meter cube and E1 equal to 1. V2 equal to 7,500 meter cube and we have to find E2. Volume of solids Vs will remain same in both the states of soil. Thus, Vs equal to V1 by 1 plus E1 equal to V2 by 1 plus E2. Let us take the first part of the equation. Vs equal to V1 by 1 plus E1 equal to 10,000 by 1 plus 1 equal to 5,000 meter cube. Therefore, volume of solids equal to 5,000 meter cube. Volume of solids will remain same in the compacted state also. We know Vs equal to V2 by 1 plus E2, 5,000 equal to 7500 by 1 plus E2. E2 equal to 0.5. Therefore, the void ratio of the compacted soil is 0.5. That is the answer. Let us solve another GATE question of 2023 from the topic phase relationships and learn a concept through it. The specific gravity of a soil is 2.60. The soil is at 50% degree of saturation with a water content of 15%. The void ratio of soil is, in this question, the parameters degree of saturation, water content and void ratio were already discussed in the last video. The undiscussed property is specific gravity of soil. Let us quickly learn what it is before solving the problem. Specific gravity of solids G is defined as the ratio of the mass of a given volume of solids to the mass of an equal volume of water at 4 degrees centigrade. You know that the ratio of mass to volume is density. So in simple words, specific gravity of solids is the ratio of density of solids to the density of water at standard conditions, that is 4 degrees centigrade. Density is denoted by Greek letter rho. Density of water at 4 degrees centigrade is 1 gram per ml or 1000 kilogram per meter cube or 1 megagram per meter cube. You should know this to solve soil mechanics numericals. Specific gravity of soils usually ranges from 2.65 to 2.80. If G value is not given in any university question, you can assume it in this range. For organic soils, it may fall even below 2. There is a very important relationship between void ratio, water content, degree of saturation and specific gravity. That is, void ratio is equal to water content multiplied by specific gravity divided by degree of saturation. If the soil is fully saturated, degree of saturation is equal to 100%, that is S equal to 1. In that case, therefore, E equal to Wg. Let us use this concept to solve the question. Given specific gravity G equal to 2.60, degree of saturation S equal to 50%, that is 0.5. Water content W equal to 15%, that is 0.15. And what is the void ratio? Void ratio E equal to Wg by S. Substituting E equal to 0.15 into 2.6 divided by 0.5, E equal to 0.78. Therefore, the void ratio of the given soil is 0.78. That is the answer to the question. Students often make mistakes in phase relationship problems by substituting values in percentage form. Remember to convert water content and degree of saturation into decimal form. Also, always remember that specific gravity is a unitless quantity. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more concepts and solutions. See you in the next video.